Airlines welcomes you to Taipei.
We're now boarding the flight to Taiwan.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow.
Hey Cameranda, welcome to my room here in Taiwan for 3 days. We're here in Grand Hyatt Hotel. Aww. Very nice Cameranda. I'm on the 7th floor and I'm in front of the, I think this is the pool. Oh, I'm in the pool. You can see Aro. Oh, very nice man. Ano, Alfie?
Wow.
Siya po ang cameraman ko, si Mentor Alfie. Anong igagawin mo dito, Kuya Alfie?
Suswimming ako dyan sa bathtub.
Sinong kasama mo?
Ako lang.
Thank you, OKX. Ayan, at syempre may sariling kwartos, Kuya Alfie. Okay, very nice. Thanks kay Miranda.